Good morning, traders, and God bless. I'm Ricky Gaspard. A little bit of delay there. My PC's been running slow all weekend. Not the PC, but the internet. So be patient. Make sure you check this time and make sure I don't have any delays when you trade. Every morning we watch this column for volume spikes. This morning we're running a new scan that I wrote on Friday, putting it through the test. It's Elon Rockets, and they really perform well Friday evening, but we'll keep an eye on it this morning and see how it performs. So once we see a volume spike here, we click on it, and then we come down here and check the current bar volume, which would be this last candle. If there's enough volume in that candle to get in and get out safely, then we consider moving forward with the trade. And what I mean by that is this number needs to really be flowing, not pausing or standing still. We need to have a battle going on between the buyers and the sellers. Once we confirm that, we want to make sure that we have a green bar here in Dominator Master breaking above this yellow average volume line. And we want to come down here and look at the My Blessing indicator and make sure that it's trending northwards as well. These green bars and green lines are buyers. The red part is sellers, and the red part on this one is sellers. So you want to hang on to the stock until you see profit taking or selling going on. Then you want to rethink your decision if you want to get in or get out or hold on. And once that's confirmed, you can make a little bit of profit scalping with us. If you are new here, make sure that you trade on paper only. Do it the old-fashioned way. Watch these live streams. Get out a piece of paper. Write down your entry, your exit, and your results. If you are profitable on paper, then you can move to real money. But even when you move to real money, trade small share size, 1 to 10 shares. If you are profitable with real money, then all you have to do to increase your profits is increase your share size. Also, I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure you reach out to the proper authorities before you take any of my suggestions or use any of my indicators. I build indicators and teach you how to use them. I also build scans. But I am not a licensed professional. I trade from my home office, and what I do works. It's been working for many years, and I decided to bring it out and let everyone know this is what you need to do because it's working in this market. Make sure that your active trader, TIF, is set to EXT, and here we go. GTBP currently at 390. It's already kind of ran up a little bit. It may run up more since our market just opened. We're watching these dominator bars for these buyers to continue to come in. We need them to drive the price up just like that. A little spike up to 433. So we're not watching candles or money. We're watching for buyers and sellers down here. This is where you're going to make your money. Until we see red, there's slight profit taking going on right there. Pushing up a little bit higher maybe. We're watching these bars. There's profit taking going on. Stock looks kind of weak to me. It may not go anymore. Profit taking going on. Big red bar. They are bailing out on it. Waiting for the next volume spike. This one will calm down just a little bit in a minute. It's just because our market opened up. It's kind of loaded up. I'm watching for these numbers to start rising is what I'm looking for. Same thing in this column. We want to see these numbers rising. DATS already on the move this morning. This one's pretty volatile, so be careful with it. It can drop in a heartbeat. Looking at the volume, it's very low. There's not enough buyers and sellers to get in and get out safely. All it takes is one big seller when the volume is this low to drop it right back down. Volume seems to have died on DATS. Very slow. Pushing up a little higher now. Still very low volume. Use extreme caution. I don't think I'm going to trust this stock. I've seen it just drop really fast, especially under low volume. That even brings more doubt to me. A red sell signal. That's what I'm talking about. ATPC moving again. We spotted this stock right back here with the Elon rockets. It is now taking off. Watching these dominator bars, the price is staying up there. We had some profit taking. We're going back to a green bar now. If it grows taller, the price will go up a little bit more. Buyers are interested in this one. Let's see if we can push it higher. Watching those dominator bars, profit taking going on. And remember, scalpers are impatient. If it sits here too long, they will bail out on this stock. So make sure you watch these bars closely. Profit taking. Good job, OG and Milo and Sammy and Greg and Jamie. Short green dominator bar. The buyers are giving up on this stock. We need these bars to break this average yellow volume line. More buyers coming in. Pushing up to 277 now. 278. Can we push it higher? Watching for that green dominator bar to grow. It's not growing. That tells me there's weakness here. Red taking profits. I'm expecting them to give up any minute, or we need a rush of buyers to come in. My blessing is turning south. Holding the price so far. Sellers coming in. Good job, Ken, on YouTube. Elon Rocket Stock, XHG. Let's see if the buyers will come into it. It looks like they will. Few sellers coming in. I got in and immediately pulled out when it didn't continue. I'm a negative $10 on it. It was worth the shot. Spend more than that on a cup of Starbucks. Good job, D-Man. XHG did make a run this morning before our market opened up right here. I was kind of hoping it was a continuation of that run. That's why I got in early. Well, I really wish you couldn't hear me trade, because I don't want to make you trade because you heard me trade. Because sometimes I miss too. Don't like click following. You don't learn anything that way. And just so you know, I did take a shot at it. There it is right there, 1,000 shares, minus 10. I had somebody question me if I really was trading the other day. I think it's kind of obvious that I would be. Watching for numbers to move in these two columns. Volume is picking up here on XHG. It may break out eventually. We got to get through this resistance level right here, this red one or the white one. This is a previous zone where we traded the stock before. Pushing up higher now, $1.73. Buyers are coming in. Or to try to get my $10 back, but that would be revenge trading, and I'm not going to do it. Good job, Greg B. We may break out here. I'm seeing a tall green dominator bar of buyers. We may push higher. Let's see what happens. Might go up and retest that $1.95 at the top up there, the red line. This one right up here. Watching the dominator bars for red. Got another one moving here. If you're into this trade, make sure you're trading it off of your screen. I'm going to change and check this one out. It's a penny stock. I'm going to go back to XHG. And this is EDBL if you want to trade it. I'm not interested in it. XHG, let's watch this one closer. It's a price range a lot better here. Buyers coming in. Got another one taking off here in the rockets. It's EDBL, or maybe the same one. Yeah, it's the same one. Some profit taking going on, but not enough to drive the price down. Continuing to rise slowly. Profit taking. The buyers bought it right up. We need this green bar to grow tall so that it'll push the price up. A little bit more profit taking going on. Looks like we may be stalling out right here. We can go check on that penny stock now and see where it went. It shot up with one big green candle, maybe trying to make another attempt to get back up there. Buyers coming in. I will not be trading this one. Looks like it's not going anywhere. Buyers trying to come in to push it higher. Looks like it's a big struggle of everybody trying to get out. Good job, Milo. All right, enjoy your coffee while it's warm. Nothing moving currently. Or your lunch or your dinner. I know you're all over the world. I have had internet issues all weekend. I don't know what they're doing to us. Plus, toss was down for quite a lot of hours, actually, 6 to 8 maybe. W key moved good Friday. Looks like we may have a continuation happening. Volume is too low to scalp right now. May want to put it in your watch list and keep an eye on it. See you later, Milo. ATPC moving around a little bit here. Possibility of going from 260 to 278, providing the buyers come in, providing we have green bars down here. Doesn't look like it's going to happen. All right, back to a standstill, nothing happening. XXII, big green candle. Few profit takers going on. Buyers should come back in and push it up. Another Elon rocket. Pushing up now $8 on that spike. What a hit there that was. You had to have been really quick to catch it. I did not. In fact, I haven't even clicked the button yet. Let's see what's going to happen. The volume is kind of low but picking up. Seems to be a lot of resistance up here at this level. It's going to take some buyers to push it through. $7.80, $7.95. Let's get past that $8 if we can. Watching these dominator bars, profit taking going on. Good job, Greg B. and John. Selling off. Looks like we're holding this price range that may go back up. Don't never give up on them until they just sell off. Going to continue to watch it and see which direction it heads. Looks like it may head downwards. Red dominator bars. Good job, D-Man and Tony. GR, this is a custom indicator. I can't give that information up. It's not available yet. It's going to be available when we launch the website. Good job, Algo. Good job, Knight. If you don't know who I am a coder also, and I target volume and price action in my trading. I don't care about the news or John Doe said to go buy this one. I don't care about any of that stuff. I watch where the buyers and sellers are, and they pop up on these scans to let me know where they are. And I go join the trade or join the party, I like to say. Other than that, if there's not a crowd there buying and selling, I'm not interested. So all of my indicators are programmed for live data. So anything past this first candle, I don't care about. I only care about what's happening in the current candle. Buyers coming in. We already know we're struggling up here, so this may not go far. And I hope they prove me wrong and push past that $8 mark. But not likely. Make sure you don't just jump in these stocks because they're spiking up. Give it a few seconds before you click the buy button. Try to watch it, see which way it's going. Pay close attention to these bars. If it's growing green, it's probably safe to get in. But just because the first one's growing green doesn't mean the second one will be. So don't be too excited. Don't just click the button because you see green. We want to make sure the buyers continue to come in. If it's a good stock, it's going to continue to run, not just spike up and pull back. Doc, I haven't seen anything that I wanted to trade yet. They haven't really run. They've spiked up and spiked right back down. I'm looking for the one where they just keep attacking it and keep driving it up. It is jumpy market this morning. Nothing set in stone. Just like this one here, tempting you right now. One green dominator bar. Buyers coming in. Do you trust it? Probably not. My blessing is down there on the bottom. That's this indicator here. Nice tall green dominator bar. They definitely trying to drive it back up there. Nice breakout. Can we get past the 8? We do break through the 8. Now can we stay above the 8? Nice green bar pulling right back down below 8. I say take profits if you are in profits and you bought into this. It's already struggled here before. It's okay to leave a little bit on the table as long as you lock in what you have right now. Struggling to get any higher and struggling to stay above the $8 mark. It may continue to go. They may buy out all of these sellers up here and continue to push. We need another green bar here, not sellers. But we do know this is a tough area to break. Good job, Tony. Profit taking going on. Good morning, Terry. They did break the $8 level, now pushing up nicely here. Watching those green dominator bars. If it gets taller, they'll push it on up to $9. They're all excited there. They're taking their profits. They don't trust it either. Holding the price back a little. Red in a dominator bar. I see LAES down here in Magic Scan. I'm not seeing any spiking going on, so I'm not going to check it out yet. If it's going to move up, it's going to get a volume spike in this column right here. XFOR, 77 cents currently. Looks like we have a lot of resistance up here. This wick on the top are the sellers driving the price back down. We don't have a lot of volume in this stock, not worth putting your hard-earned money into. Let's see if it picks up some. It's only paying a half a penny to a penny if you look at these numbers on the right. Not worth throwing dollars at. Unless it doubles in price, and that can always happen. Looks like the volume's picking up now. They may be coming into this stock. Let's see if they can push it higher. I'm seeing a lot of tall wicks up here, though. These are sellers driving it right back down. Probably going to be a struggle to get up there. PHIO on the run up. Volume's just average, not nothing great here. Buyers coming in. Watch these dominator bars closely. You don't want to see any red. Profit taking going on. Driving it right back down. This is sellers up here, remember that. Buyers are trying to overcome them. Volume is picking up. Can we push higher? Watching for a tall green dominator bar here for the push. Too many sellers still. The buyers are trying to buy up what they're selling. They're having a hard time doing so. More buyers buying up what they were selling. Can they push it here? Nice tall green dominator bar, but resistance up here is strong. Not getting anywhere. We sure do, Mark. Sellers, 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 pulling it back down. A sell indicator. A lot of resistance in the market this morning. They are still trying to push it higher. We do have a tall dominator bar. Hopefully they'll keep buying up what they're selling and we'll get a breakout. Nice tall green dominator bar. Can we push past that 274? 277. Hopefully the price stays up here and continues to run. Few profit takers. My blessing is pointing south. That shows weakness. Not my kind of trade. This is kind of like a guessing game up in this area. So I never did click the mouse button. Sell signal. I've never seen a minus spread indicator. Sell signal. If you don't know what a spread is, you really need to do a little bit more research. You shouldn't be trading if you don't know what it is. Make sure you are trading on paper until you figure that out. But this is the difference between the bid and the ask. If this number gets too high or higher than zero, it's going to cost you a few cents to buy this stock. Sometimes it can get up there to 25 or 30 cents. And if you click to buy 100 shares, you're going to be minus $23 or so that you'll have to make up when you get in. But do some research, figure out what it is before you start trading. Live Learn, did you have a question? Pushing up a little bit higher now. Buyers coming in. My blessing is pointing south. That tells me it's struggling to get any higher. Tall green dominator bar. They're trying to get this one higher. PHIO is the symbol. They're not giving up. I don't know why I feel like I'm in a guessing game this morning. They run up and they stop, and then I'm guessing if it's going to continue. Green dominator bars, it's holding the price nicely. They are definitely trying to push this stock higher. Up to 309 on the spike. Nice tall green dominator bars. Profit taking going on. My Blessing still pulling back. A few sellers taking profit. Price is holding its level. Buyers coming back in. Profit taking going on. I guess this is why I feel like I'm guessing it's all over the place currently. If it don't move soon, they will sell off and drop the price right back down. See another one over here, SLXN moving up. Let's move over to it for a moment. SLXN. Nice tall green dominator bar. My Blessing's looking north. A lot of resistance up here. Nice tall green dominator bar, but not going up. Sellers driving the price back down. More buyers coming in to push it back up. Tall wicks developing on the top. Sellers driving it down. Sellers in the dominator bar. Good job, Terry. PHIO making another attempt at it. This may be latecomers missing this run and they think they can get some out of it. It may be stopping right about in here. Could be a false alarm. Let's see if they can come in and push it up. More buyers coming in. 320 for the high. We're looking at PHIO. More buyers coming in for the push. 325 on that spike. I'm not into chasing spikes, so I'm not in this stock. Spiking up and pulling right back down. I don't have any luck with those. Looking for a spike up and a continuation. Profit taking. Good job, YouTube. All right, YouTubers, your free time is up. I gave it a little bit extra here. Try to put some money in your pocket. I appreciate you joining me this morning. If you haven't joined us over on Discord, click that white and yellow label at the top of the chat window. If you like what you see here, give me a like and a subscribe. I'm live on YouTube Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays starting at 5:55 a.m. Central Time. I know that's early for some of you, but if you want to make some money, come and join us. I appreciate each and every one of you who joined us this morning. And if you join us on the premium side, I stream for 3.5 to 4 hours each morning. Also, we have Milo. He does training during the day when the market's kind of slow. You may want to join his session too once you're a premium member. And if you do join us as premium, you get over 60 scans and over 30 indicators with your premium membership. We only currently have a couple of extra purchases. That would be this My Blessing indicator and another one we call Master Scalper. So occasionally I program something that sticks out above all the rest, and they are really powerful. So come and join us, and I appreciate you joining me this morning. As always, have a blessed trading day. I'll see you Wednesday.